Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to quickly look into this, which is how to get lead from apollo.io and export as CSV file. So here's a simple workaround for that. So for you to be able to get lead from Apollo and export it as CSV, you have to go to the apollo.io website and sign in into your account. So from your dashboard, you have to click the search and choose the people or companies depending on what type of lead you need. So you use the filter like industry, location, job title, company size, or keywords to find the right lead. Then you have to view your search results. So Apollo will show you a list of matching lead. You can click on any profile to see more details like name, company, and contact information. So from there you have to select the lead to export. So check the boxes next to the lead you want to export, or click the select all if you want to download the full list. So at the top or the side of the page, click export or export to CSV, then pick what details to include, which is name, email, company, and other important details. So after that, confirm the export. So Apollo will process all your requests and give you as a CSV so you can download to your computer, and that's how you can easily get lead from apollo.io and export as a CSV file. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.